We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
If you come here in weekend, it goes crazy.
Oh, really? And now the music stopped, so it's better. Now I can film something because the music stopped.
Okay.
Better.
Well, now we just arrived in OCHO RIOS, now looking around what's going on in OCHO. And now we're going to take a walk on the beach and try to find a restaurant and eat some nice food. Okay? So let's go. We are heading now to Margaritaville. Over there right on the beach where the deck, where the ship comes, you know. And a lot of people. A lot of people. Sometimes they have 2 ships in the harbor. So they have water slide, everything, 24/7. Margaritaville going, especially on Wednesday night, they have free party. Anybody can come and entertain themselves at the party, you know.
Oh, it's Wednesday now?
No, but because of COVID.
Okay.
I don't think it exists right now, you know. But away from that, it used to be super nice, you know.
Oh, so nice.
See pizza and all these things over there.
Oh. So nice.
Yes. So now we are in the center of OCHO RIOS.
Yeah, it's nice here.
Yes. And we're walking down. A lot of Indian from India control most of these stores here, you know, selling t-shirts and all these things, you know.
Yeah.
In Jamaica. Yes. Indian and Chinese dominate Jamaica right now. Yes.
With the roads too, right?
All the streets here now in Jamaica running by Chinese. Because the government bring them in and then they pay the people in Jamaica cheap labor and get the work done, you know. Yeah. That's how it works right around the world. Even in Africa they do. So much road right now. Yeah. But OCHO RIOS is not really my place, you know. No. I more like it quiet and in the bush, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Here too hectic, in so much using up the brain. No, I don't like it. I like to lay back. I'm a lay back person, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't like this big crowd and excitement. Not good for me.
Yeah.
Yes. But sometimes you have to adjust when you meet other people and other people want to go out.
Yeah.
You have to just give your time, you know. Everybody feels good. That's how it goes sometimes. You know?
Yeah, yes. Can switch it up sometimes.
Yeah, man. You have to think outside the box sometimes.
Okay.
And help people.
Yeah.
Especially when they have guests come around me to do what they want, you know. To bring them around, you know, and show them places, you know.
Yeah.
Everything is good.
Oh, hold on, okay.
Margaritaville.
Okay, so we gotta turn here?
Yes, we're gonna turn it.
Okay.
Right turn.
Okay. Oh yeah, here it is.
Yes.
Oh, it looks nice.
This is the port. $2 or $2,500.
Okay.
Bus from Port and Town to OCHO.
Yeah.
Not good.
Is that what the other people did that are staying by you now? Okay.
Yes, some of the people who come by me, they take the bus, and then we get a taxi guy to pick them up in Port and Town.
Okay.
And bring them back home, you know. Port and Town to my place is like $20, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not a lot.
Yeah. It's not bad. So not that many people get a rental car that come to you?
Yes, 1 and 2 people get a rental car.
Okay.
But most of them, they will rent it from the airport.
Okay.
Or people who come on a short time, yeah, they take a rental car because they want to go around the island.
Yeah.
So they will spend 2 or 3 nights at my place and move on, you know.
Yeah.
But sometimes people even move on and come back to me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they more like it at my place, you know. So they
that's
always
nice.
return, you know.
Yeah.
Or call me on the phone and say if I have spare room.
Okay.
So they want to come, you know.
Yeah, it's nice.
So, let me see what's going on over here.
Okay. Oh, Starbucks.
Yes. Margaritaville. Ah. In tourist time, it's a super full. Just full.
Oh, really?
Yes,
And maybe in the winter too, like December, those kind of times when it's cold other places?
Yeah, well, to be honest, if it's cold, you never know what they're going to do.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, man. Can I get some food over there, though?
Oh, they said no camera, I think.
$100 a quarter.
$700 a quarter?
Yeah.
So we need 3/4?
Yeah.
All right, 3/4? Excuse me.
You want to be in? chicken looks good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Jerk chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you're gonna be on YouTube now.
Okay. I'm glad for that.
Okay.
Yes.
How much you want?
3 quarters. You not separate. I burst one.
Maybe go over there.
Put Maria.
Okay. It looks like she liked it. It looks like it was good. Yeah, she liked it.
Want some hot sauce in there?
No, it's okay.
Nothing on there?
No, thank you.
Believe me.
Do you want hot sauce?
I'm not sure.
Chucky.
You want hot sauce?
No.
No. If Chucky doesn't want hot sauce, then I don't want hot
Yeah.
sauce. Needs a spicy.
Too spicy.
Hey guys, what are you guys doing?
Good, how are you? It's okay, thank you. It's okay.
Hey, you want to
Candy.
give me a support, Daddy?
Thank you. Yeah. 700 each, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 2100. All right.
Thank you.
Sure. Hope you take care of that picture, right?
Okay, yeah, it's gonna look nice.
You can give a friend them.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, oh, you want to tell where you are so people want to come and get your food?
Yeah, just right at mother's here, or you just ask for shorty.
Okay,
Just
shorty.
ask for shorty with jerk chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, some new people are gonna come.
Man.
Okay.
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 Yeah, man.
Very important.
Best sir.
You know what I'm best man. I work in the company.
Yeah. So you know this guy there?
Maybe I know that.
This guy, my grandfather, man. I'm
Yeah.
going dead, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I work here.
Larry and Ezra.
Never see a girl who work now. I'm never see Larry. Larry a jerk chicken I work here right now.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah. I don't get any day.
I have to.
Yeah, man.
I have to map spy.
You know anyone that go up on the light post? I'm a name, I'm a crazy said
Nah, attack.
Remember the light post?
But me and my family by my side now. It's spiritual. It's a wallet from the right hand side.
You saw life stay?
You know.
You saw life
You
stay?
know. From the right hand side.
Alright.
You know.
Alright.
So time I go up, you know.
Yeah.
Never gonna tell Larry.
Yeah, man, I ain't that.
So this year's all the while, man. And them around the right hand shop up there, you know.
Yeah.
And I first thing put over my place. Walk over there, over Apple place. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, respect.
Yeah, man.
So it's nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
So,
Hey!
anytime I come in again with people, I straight guy here, every show, every day you see you. Here, because we are talking about everything, we are family.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Israel.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, don't take care. Yeah?
Okay.
Inside are the tailor one from William Street.
Alright.
Isa.
Alright. Alright.
And I'll see you guys later.